Do you use acrylic nails often? Then you should remove them time to time. It's very easy to remove them at home. Just follow some simple steps. In this method we will use a dental floss to remove acrylic nails. Step 1. Find a partner. This removal method requires a second person to work, since 2 hands are needed to pull the dental floss under the nails. Step 2. Pry up the bottom edge of an acrylic nail. Use a cuticle stick to gently pry up the entire bottom edge. Step 3. Have your partner slide dental floss under the edge. He or she should face you. Slip the dental floss under the bottom edge of the nail. Step 4. Your partner should begin working the floss back and forth under the nail. Tell him or her to slide the floss back and forth and pull it up, so that the nail begins to come loose. Continue this sawing motion until the acrylic nail is free from the natural nail. Repeat the process with every nail until they're all removed. Step 5. Buff your nails. Use a buffer to clean up your natural nails, which may be a little torn from the process. Apply cuticle cream and moisturizer. Step 6. Wash your nails. Get your nails washed and germ-free. Step 7. Finished. Your nails should be acrylic-free.